Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. It is the one and only, maybe it's the me and girl. We are back again with another hair tutorial video. Finally, it's been a freaking month. Your girl has been busy with school, but we can finally kiss the semester goodbye. If you want to see how I achieve this look, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also turn on post notifications. Now let's get started. So this company named Allovehair sent me a loose deep wave wig, and it was 24 inches. And of course, you know how they be adding lashes in there. So this is basically how the hair looked like as soon as I applied it to my head. I was just testing it out to see, you know, how it's going to look or whatever. And they left a lot of baby hairs, and also they plucked the unit really well. Now this is basically a month later. As you guys can see, the pattern has changed. You know, the wig has gone through some things. And now we're basically about to revamp it up and install it. So now you're just going to go in with your Got To Be Glue styling gel, and I use this as an edge control for my edges because I feel like it really works. Personally, I like it, and I use this to lay down my edges. You can use anything that you prefer. And I know you're probably still thinking like, girl, is that a black cap that you're using to lay down your frontal wig? Yes! I don't know how to do the ball cap method. Hopefully in 2020 we'll learn, but for now I'm just gonna keep using my freaking black cap. Okay, and imagine if I was bald, girl, I would be cute as the fuck. So now I'm just basically gonna go ahead and install my wig onto my head. Of course I'm gonna do a middle part. I'm gonna position it and go in with my brush and brush it out. So now I'm going to take my comb and brush my hair to the side, and of course I left out a little piece just so that that piece can be my guidance, and also that's going to be my baby hair. And this is a method that I feel like everybody should do, is get their wax stick and kind of brush back the flyaways. That's what the wax stick is really for. I feel like it helps me a lot, especially when I begin to apply my Got To Be Glue. It won't be so many freaking flyaways, because this wig did come with a lot of flyaways as well. So now you're going to see me take my Got To Be Glue gel and apply it on my hairline. Then I also take the spray and apply it where I put the glue at basically. And I only use the gel and the spray just for the sides. And when I work my way to the middle, which is the front, I only use the spray. I do this because I just feel like using the gel and the spray for the sides kind of hold on longer than just using the spray by itself. So now I take my Got To Be Glue spray and just basically spray it on the hairline and use my fingers just to rub it in. And this is actually like a lazy way to lay down or to like install your wig, but honestly I feel like it's kind of faster, especially if you're not going to be keeping this wig on for like, you know, a long time. This is a fast process. And then you're going to use your comb, and basically your comb or your blow dryer is going to help you melt down the lace even faster into your skin. So now I'm just going to go ahead and define my middle part a little bit more. You guys already knew that I was going to do a middle part because, baby, I always do a middle part. But this is not my first time of me wearing this wig. So I'm just going to go ahead and define my middle part a little bit more better. Of course, I'm going to go ahead with my concealer brush and make it brighter. Then I'm going to take my Nairobi foam styling mousse, and I really love this. This works magic. This will literally have your edges laid down. You can find this most likely in the beauty supply or online. So now I'm going to go ahead with my Got To Be Glue spray and spray it on the hair. Then I'm going to take my comb and comb it out as I blow dry it at the same time. And I do this because if you just let it sit without blow drying it or combing it out, your hair will be crunchy as heck, okay? So I'm going to take my hot comb just to smoothen it out a little bit. And especially because I really do not like flyaways in my freaking face. I hate them so much. I hate them so much. So the hot comb kind of like, you know, combs it back for me. And of course, how could I forget my wax stick? My wax stick is very important because, girl, them flyaways will be gone. So I went on ahead and showed you guys the left side of my hair compared to the right side of my hair that has literally no baby hairs. As you guys can see, baby hairs actually do make a very big difference. And I kind of sped up the video and cut out a lot of parts of me doing the right side because it's literally the same exact process on how I did the left side. Literally nothing changes. Do the exact same thing, and I don't keep in my wigs for too long, so that's why I be using the Got To Be Glue and also the spray. And this is basically how both sides look like when I'm done with the baby hairs. As you guys can see, your girl's feeling yourself. You know, when you start feeling yourself, that's when your hair is almost done or whatever. But of course, I have to go ahead and make sure that my hair is flat. So now I'm just going to drench my hair in water, and this is curly hair. So of course, you know, the curls need to be popping or whatnot. You can go ahead and put mousse or detangler or whatever you want to put on it, but I don't really like doing too much to curly hair. I don't really want to ruin the pattern. So then I just go ahead with my wand, and I've been having this wand for years. I feel like in every video I freaking use this wand to flatten my hair because I need to be making sure that my hair is all the way flat. Okay, also underneath my wig I have cornrows, of course, and my cornrows are kind of big, so that's another reason why I use this wand and kind of just flatten it. But if your braids are flat, and you don't really have to worry about this process. This is just something extra or whatever. Then lastly, I'm going to go in with my wax stick and flatten down those flyaways, and this is basically how the hair looks like. Honestly, it looks so pretty. Thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. Thank you guys for getting to know me this whole year. If you're not subscribed to me, girl, oops, join the family or whatever. Comment down below if you enjoyed this video, if you learned any helpful tips from this video. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for rocking with me the whole 2019.